I'm gonna be restoring this cast iron pot that a friend gave me, and he got it from his neighbor. It's probably been in his neighbor's family for a long time, so I'm gonna try and restore this pot, cast iron. Got some warm water here. I'm gonna dunk this pot in this warm water. Got one of these metal Brillo pads or whatever. I forgot what they call them, but I'm gonna just scrub it. And when you got the pot soaking in the warm water right here, add vinegar to the water here, to the whole thing, and let it soak for about 10 minutes. Man, it's something about putting vinegar in the warm water and letting it soak. And then once it soaks, pour it out. Add baking soda powder to the pot or the rusted area and scrub the baking soda into the rust, with a little bit like a drop or so water in it, but this here be your paste to get the rust, and it's just coming out now. You want like that much water in the pot, and then just start adding your baking soda, especially to the rust spots. Add your baking soda, especially to the rust spots, and just start scrubbing. Alright, got the pot dried off here. I'm going to start adding some oil, and then I'm going to season it or bake it on 350 for about an hour. I forgot to add what I use to season the pot. I used olive oil and I think some bacon grease to wipe the pot down and with the oil, and stick it in the oven for 350 upside down, so that side's like it's facing the element. But yeah, that's how I season it, with extra virgin olive oil and a little bit of bacon fat, a little bit of canola oil. I mix some canola oil with it. But yeah,